Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix ISDone dynamic link library error when you try to install PC games or any software that have a large size. So here the ISDone.dynamic link library error or ISArc dynamic link library error. If you encounter this error, it's mostly because of your PC RAM or hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process. So the ISDone.dynamic link library and ISArc dynamic link library error in Windows 10 or 11 mostly related to the installation of PC games. So here, based on this article, thanks to this article and user that provide us, the first method is increase Windows page file or virtual memory. So in order to do that, you can open system properties by hold Windows key and R key on your keyboard. Now the run box will pop out and try to open ISDM.cpl. Here, click OK. Now system properties will pop up. Click advanced, click performance settings, again click advanced and click on virtual memory change. Here you can untick this box in order to you can fill this custom size. So I recommend you to fill by 400 in the initial size, and maximum size is 3000. Here, for most games 2.5 GB is enough. The value which will work in most cases 400 and 3000. Note the values are in megabytes, so they set the maximum paging file size to the tune of 3 GB. Currently on my system there is a 2.1 GB and recommendation is 2.6 GB. So you have to pay attention how many RAM that you have on your system. It can be differ. Feel free to try to increase your virtual memory. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.